What's going on, people? Today I'm playing with a bit of kit which I've been eyeing up for some time, and I've only recently decided to bite the BB and buy one for myself. Now normally when I play Airsoft I like to cover all bases with my setup. My primary weapon is a Double Eagle UTR 45 equipped with a drum magazine which can provide a rapid spray of suppressing fire even when on single shot. For tight spaces I have a chest mounted Krytac Maxim 9 pistol, and for long range shots through those tiny gaps I use an Ares Striker 3, a sawed-off compact sniper pistol. Today, however, I'm trying something new and super lightweight. I'm ditching the sniper and the SMG in exchange for this. The SEMA M052 is a grenade launcher pistol, and it takes these enormous 40mm shells, each powered by green gas and capable of firing over 80 rounds in a single trigger pull. I'm also starting each game with 2 grenades strapped to my front and 6 Mark V flashbangs strapped to my back, which I can easily draw from my vest at a moment's notice. Of course, I'm back playing at Battlestations, with the first half of this video taking place on an extremely hot day. So hot, in fact, that the shells for my grenade launcher and the camera that I wear on my head both stop working due to the heat, and I'm forced to continue filming this video on a much cooler day in the following weekend.
I've seen him on YouTube, all my red dot stuff. I'm getting bored, isn't it? Yellow! Oh, my nipple! Ah, oh, dead man, dead man! Dead man coming around. Oh, I just saw... Oh, yep, window. Clear yellow. I'll go for the barrels and you cover me. Did I? I didn't hear a hit. Did he? Wow! Oh, wow! I didn't think I was that good. Right, I just pushed it.
This clip shows my first misfire of the day. Having slowed the clip down, it's obvious that what I was trying to shoot was in fact a small bird. You can see here my hands tense up around the grip, but nothing happens. I quickly check the valve to see if the shell has any gas in it, but I decided to swap it out anyway. It's better safe than sorry.
Oh, yes! Dead man! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice one, mate. Good movements. Behind you, mate. Oh, bloody hell. That's a Mark V, mate. Push on that, push on that. I make myself as small as possible. Oh. Right, I've got to get out of the way. You reckon? What, a grenade and a launcher? Yeah, fuck it, I've got like a dozen on me. Oh no! Sorry. That was a very bad nade. Oh no. I'm going to send that to BSA, I'm filming you. Oh, I got to pull back, I'm laughing too much. Oh my god. Jordan, you're going to be in a YouTube short, the worst throw I've ever seen.
Once again, this clip displays another case where the extreme heat stopped me from getting enough gas into the shell, resulting in...
What?
In this heat, I wasn't the only player having problems, but that didn't make it any less annoying.
Are you okay? That was a lot closer than I intended. I saw your shadow and I thought you were much further away. Thank you for being part of this experiment.
Now there's nothing too important in this clip, but watching it back, I wanted to share how quickly this guy was able to draw his gun, hit the enemy player, just seconds after I've been hit.
Nice. Oh, yeah! Oh. Nice one, good shot, buddy. Dead man, dead man! This one here on the left.
These are the last few moments I was able to capture before the camera died from heat exhaustion and the grenade launcher became useless in this heat. I decided to switch back to my standard loadout for the next game and save the grenade launcher for the next weekend when it would be much cooler.
No, he's alright, friend.
Having watched this footage back, it's clear that I did hit this player, but because he didn't call his hit out loud, I was under the impression that he was just hiding around the next corner waiting for me.
You come out into business.
This clip here shows the most blatant case of non-hit taking I've ever seen in person, where the cheater basically turned around and returns fire. Just take a look at this. Now in this case I settled for a 50-50. I'm not going to lose my cool over a child, and it was the first half of the first game of the day, so I didn't want to lower the tone right out the gate. Over the course of the day, several other players mentioned a kid with a blue AK who wasn't taking his hits. I suppose the only resolution I have is that I had the opportunity to shoot him a second time after he'd turned around.
You guys alright? I guess surrender, sorry guys. No, I won't get aggressive, but... No. Is your gear alright? Yeah? Yeah, just a loose strap, okay. You okay, mate? Your hat! Hold on. Sorry. Sorry, mate. Right, we'll go the other way then. Whoa, bloody hell, mate! He's back! Oh, I'm cooked. Bronson, do you want to pop? It's my last one, I'll have to reload and I need my bag, shit. It's got a nice pop in there. You can smell it, can't you? Oh really? That explains a lot. The same guys before as well. Clear! Push! Where the bloody hell? Oh, yeah, I'll give you that. They're mad. Oh. Shit, bad nade. Ah, bloody hell. I'll assume you hit me there, mate. Because I had the adrenaline, I just went numb then. Okay, I'll take it.
Last clip of the video here, as the next game just was not suited for the grenade launcher's short range and I barely used it. As mentioned before, if you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to see what else I've been doing, as well as checking out the Bearded Reapers content linked in the video description. I'll give you that. That was before it went off, mate. That was fun. Oh my!
Deathmatch. Eliminate the enemy team.